Welcome to Disney Junior Play. Choose your profile or create a new one. Welcome back. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Farmyard Fun. Join Mickey for a day of fun on the farm. Mickey and friends are set for a day on the farm, but need your help choosing an outfit. Drag and drop the clothing items to try them on. What a fine-looking farmer! Good choice. Howdy, partner. Looking great! What a fine-looking farmer! Well done! What a brilliant farmer's outfit! You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again! Drag and drop the clothing items to try them on. Good choice. Howdy, partner. Looking great. What a fine-looking farmer. Choice. Howdy, partner. Looking great! What a fine-looking farmer! Good choice! Howdy, partner! Well done! What a brilliant farmer's outfit! You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Drag and drop the clothing items to try them on. Looking great! What a fine-looking good choice! Well done! What a brilliant farmer's outfit! You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Are you sure you want to leave? It's time to harvest the apples. Help Mickey catch them. Move Mickey's basket sideways to catch the apples before the time runs out. Nice catch! That looks like a tasty apple. Now that's what I call a catch. Great catching. Lots of tasty apples. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Move Mickey's basket sideways to catch the apples before the time runs out. That looks like a tasty apple. What I call a catch. Great catching. Catch a golden apple for extra points. Nice catch. That looks like a tasty apple. Well done! You've caught lots of tasty apples. You want a new sticker for your stick. Play again. Move Mickey's basket sideways to catch the apples before the time runs out. Catch a falling clock for extra time. Now that's what I call a catch. Great catching. Catch a golden apple for extra. Nice catch. That looks like a tasty apple. Now that's what I call a catch. Great catching. Nice catch. That looks like a tasty apple. like a tasty apple. Well done! You've caught lots of tasty apples. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Are you sure you want to leave? Mickey's farm is in a mess. Help clean away the hay and find what's hidden. Rub the screen to clean away the hay. Well done! You cleaned up the farm. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Rub the screen to clean away the hay. Oh, hello there. Well done! You cleaned up the farm. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Rub the screen to clean away the hay. Much tidier. Oh, hello there. Well done! You cleaned up the farm. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Are you sure you want to leave? The farm animals are feeling musical. Can you remember the order that they sing in? Remember the order of the animal sounds? Then it's your turn to tap them in the same order. Well done! You remembered lots of animal sounds. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Remember the order of the animal sounds? Then it's your turn to tap them in the same order. That's not the right animal. Well done! You remembered lots of animal sounds. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Remember the order of the animal sounds? Then it's your turn to tap them in the same order. That's not the right animal. Look for the sparkling animal. Well done! You remembered lots of animal sounds. You want a new sticker for your sticker book. Play again. Are you sure you want to leave? Here's where you can play with the stickers you've collected. Drag and drop stickers onto the page. You can move stickers around the page. you sure you want to leave? Collect more stickers by playing more games and activities.